Okay, if you want to embed a video on a regular page in MLP like this, that you can see that I have embedded these two lecture videos, and then this was down here. I actually think I got this from Kim when she originally gave me the course shell. So you can certainly just take what you've got and then put your own videos in as you would like on top there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. In order to do that, you want to go to Manage and the HTML area. And there's going to be a whole bunch of stuff in here. And what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you the specific line of code that you'll just want to go paste in where you want it, which is from here to here. So it's this bit. I'm going to give you this line. So you'll just take that line and paste it into your page, into your code right here. And once you do that, what you'll want to do is change the title to whatever you want to title your video, and then you want to paste in a new YouTube link for your video. And if you've made a video and you've saved it in your YouTube account, where you get that link is you go to share and then just copy this right here and paste it in. Now, the other part, I'm actually going to give you, I'll give you all of this. I'll give you all the way to here, realistically. I'll give you this part as well. This part down here is what actually embeds it so that you can see it. So this gives you a link that they can click and watch it. It takes them out to YouTube. And then this part right here is what you see embedded into the course. So what I will give you in this one, you will want to change from the iframe to iframe, basically. From here to, sorry, it's not highlighting, from here to here. And where you get that is when you go to that same share embed area, you just copy this from iframe to iframe and then paste it in right there. So you've got three different things to change. You want to change the title, this link, and then the iframe embed area right there. That should do it.